Welcome to Tactical Llama EDC. My name is Tom. Let us check out this absolutely stunning prize that County Comm has sent in to donate to be part of the upcoming subscriber giveaway, which, believe it or not, all the prizes have arrived. They're all here. So now I get to create a video that explains and shows everything and tell you when the giveaway is going to be, which is really soon. Probably next week sometime. So stick around and let's check out this absolutely stunning, as you can tell from my excitement. Yeah, that's a Corgi. And if it came from County Comm, you can pretty much guess this is the large Ultim Corgi Vosteed and County Comm exclusive collab in a limited batch. They are serialized from 1 to 500. They are single batch exclusive. Oh, absolutely stunning. Look at that fantastic upgraded Ultim scales. Oh, wow. Stunning blade. Look at those beautiful compound grinds on there. Wow, let's just get a little close up. I'm going to let you admire it without me talking. As you saw, this is number 108. That's 108. Oh, the action on this is absolutely amazing right out the box. Beautiful titanium insert plate, a really cool custom County Comm patch, and you saw the Vosteed patch that's attached to the pouch as well. This thing, the great thing about titanium and Ultim is their weight, and coming in at 96 grams, 95 grams. Oh my goodness. For a 2.99 inch high grade 14C 28N blade and a stonewash finish, this is an insanely lightweight EDC right here. Oh, and with that reversible pocket clip, I'm sorry. I apologize about all the noises I make. This is absolutely stunning. I can't believe that County Comm sent this in to be part of the giveaway. I'm kind of speechless. I definitely got to clean this up. Whoever the winners of these prizes are, you're going to receive them as though they came straight from the manufacturer, whoever sells them. They are going to be pristine, clean. None of my fingerprints or gunk or any of that stuff on them. And I want you to have the experience of opening up these brand new. I want to say thank you so much to all the supporters, all the viewers of the channel, everyone. Thank you so much to everyone who donated to be part of the giveaway. Donated to the giveaway, and so thank you. As I apologize if I'm kind of stammering, can't really get my words together. This Corgi that Ultim sent, County Comm sent in is just. Thank you so much for all the support. Thank you. So, good luck to everyone. I will get more details out about the giveaway here coming soon. And, yeah, stay tuned. Thanks again for watching. I really appreciate it. And, carry your personality.